Okay, tell me if this has ever happened to you. You're getting ready, you look in the mirror and say, wow, I look this good. Then you take one damn photo and suddenly you look like a completely different person. Why does this mirror love you, but this camera hates you and betrays you every single time? And trust me, it's not your face, it's not your weight, it's not your makeup, it's your brain. When you're looking in the mirror, you are not just seeing your face. You are seeing a familiar, safe, controlled version of yourself. Why? Because your brain has seen that version literally thousands of times. Your reflection is predictable, it's stable, it's comfortable. Your brain says, yes, this is me. This is what I look like and I accept this. But the camera shows your face from different lighting, different angles, different distance, a zoom movement, and zero expressions. Your brain goes, who's that? She looks like me, but that's not me. That discomfort is called. In real life, your beauty comes from movement. Your expression, your micro smiles, your blinking, your energy, your voice. Movement means beauty. Movement means charisma. Your photo actually freezes you at the least flattering frame. Your mirror shows you the alive face, but the camera shows you the paused face. No wonder everyone preferred the mirror. You've seen your face from only one angle throughout your life, straight on, eye level. But think about the photos taken from above, below, too close, too far, in wide lens, in a phone lens, and I guess in a bad lighting. Your brain actually doesn't recognize your face from different angles. It's like hearing your voice, your own voice, recorded. You are like, that's not me, but it is you. It's just from outside perspective. The mirror is your perspective and the camera is yours perspective. And those two don't match. This part is crazy because your outfit also behave differently in a mirror and the camera. In the mirror, colors look bright and good, look softer. Silhouettes looks balanced. Proportions looks normal. Textures looks gentle. Meanwhile, in the camera, strong shadows changes your face. Bright colors distort. Oversized clothes looks bigger. Tight clothes looks tighter. Prints look chaotic. Proportions get exaggerated. That's why an outfit looks good and looks chic and looks expensive in the mirror. Meanwhile, it can be look messy in the camera. When you are looking in the mirror, your brain isn't judging, it's observing. But when you look at the photo, your brains actually switch to the self-critic mode. You zoom in, you analyze, you overthink, you compare yourself to other people's photos, like influencers or your Pinterest mood board. Your brain magnifies your flaws that no one else noticed them. This is called attention bias. Your brain sees flaws because it expects flaws. Why does the camera is not accurate? Cameras distort your face because lenses bend your features. Distance change your proportions. Shadows exaggerate asymmetry. Static lighting removes depth. One frame catches you mid-blink or mid-expressions. Your face is 3D, cameras make it 2D. You lose depth, movement, softness, and everything that makes you human being. Here are some adjustments that make your photos match your real beauty. Move your camera slightly above your eye level. Move the light source in front of your face. Don't face the camera straight on. Small angles means softer face. Don't freeze yourself. Move slightly between shots and stop looking for flaws. You don't see others like that. This is how influencers looks good in every pic. They understand the psychology, plus the camera physics. You are not less beautiful in photos, you are just more familiar in mirrors. If you want part 2, please comment part 2 so I could help you to get more photogenic, even if you think you are not. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe my channel, and share this video to your friend. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.